Okay, so I'm now still underneath the sink, removing the pipes for the tap above from the 12mm plastic. You can see the supply pipes from the tap have got these plastic lugs on here, which to pull them out of there is fairly difficult. So just a little bit of a tip: just use a small hairdryer just to warm the plastic pipes up, and you can pull the lugs out fairly easily with not much effort without damaging the plastic pipe or pulling the inserts off the tap. So I'll just move the camera and I shall warm the other pipe up ready, which could be fairly noisy if you want to listen. Should be enough now to pull the other pipe out. I'll just try and move that there for a better view. So just get a good pair of pliers and pull out the hot pipe, which comes out nice and easy. Now you've warmed the plastic up there. So I've unscrewed the two wires from the micro switch hanging down there from the electric block. So now all I need to do is unscrew the plastic lug nut underneath the tap, and then I shall pull it out from the top of the sink.